welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Not The Thermometer TikTok trend, which looks pretty hard, but it's actually very easy to learn. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now, let's go. So the very first step we're going to do, we're going to kick with our right leg, and then we're going to step on our right leg, step on our left leg, and then our right one goes up. So it's going to look like this. Kick, step, step. And then we're going to do the same thing but to the other side. Kick, step, step. So all together it's going to look like this. Kick, step, step, kick, step, step. And if you can't do it on the first try, don't worry, just keep on practicing and that's it. By the way, I forgot to mention that we are focusing only on our legs. You don't have to copy my arms because this dance is a little bit different. It's not one of those whoa clap dances. So only our legs. So let's do it again from the beginning and then we'll move on. Kick, step, step, kick, step, step. And then when we do this, we're gonna step on our left leg and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So to do this, we're gonna join our toes like this, and then our toes go up and our left ankle goes up like that. It should look kind of like this, and then we're gonna join our toes again, and then we're gonna do the same thing but to the other side, like that. So all together, it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then just keep on practicing, making it even faster and faster and faster, and you should come up with this. So just keep on practicing and you will get it. It's actually very easy. So let's start from the very beginning. Kick, step, step, kick, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after this, we're gonna go. So everyone does this differently. This is how Charlie does it. So right leg goes back. There are going to be 4 points. 1, 2, we're going to join our legs as you can see. Then 3, and then 4. So to learn this dance, it's a lot easier if you do it with socks because it slides and it's a lot better. But right now I'm doing it with sneakers and mostly everyone does it with sneakers. But for learning it, I think it's better doing it with socks. So once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. You should be able to slide. And then after this, we are going to step on our left leg, like this, step, and then join our legs, and then do the same thing on the other side. Step, join. So, once again, step, join. Okay, let's do it from the very beginning, and then we'll move on because we don't have much left. Let's go. Kick, step, step. Kick, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I don't know if you have noticed, but in between these two, so 1, 2, and 3, 4, in between 1, 2, and 3, 4, there's a little pause, but only a little one. So don't stay still until you do the other two because it's a really small pause. So after we do this, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So all together it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just keep on practicing and doing it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So, and after that there's 2 moves left. So I'm gonna show them to you, and then we're gonna do it from the beginning so that we remember everything. So don't worry about that. We're gonna go ankle up, so right ankle up, and then our knee goes up, and then on the other side, ankle, knee. Once again, ankle, knee, knee. So let's go from the beginning, slow. Kick, step, step. Kick, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, slide, step, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ankle, knee, knee. And now a little bit faster. Kick, step, step. Kick, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ankle, knee. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, comment, what dances you want me to do next.